Today I'm going to show you how you can copy a schedule from one premium plan to another. So right now I'm in Marquee 360's PPM 360 solution and I have two projects pulled up. I'm going to go into this one called My Big Idea, and you'll see here I have a pretty detailed schedule. I'm going to go ahead and open this in Planner. So if you are an organization that currently doesn't use PPM 360, you could start off by going to Planner, finding your plan, and revealing the project schedule. Then what you're going to want to do is go find your other plan. So here I have My Big Idea Round 2. And currently the project schedule is blank. So I'm going to go ahead and open that one in Planner. So again, for those that are not using PPM 360, you would open another browser tab and go ahead and find your target plan. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these side by side. So there's that, and there's that. So I'm looking at the two plans side by side. And basically, I do want to copy all of these into my new, or my round 2. So I'm going to go ahead and just drag and drop. I'm going to right mouse click and I'm going to say copy task. And then I'm going to come over here to my round 2, and where it says add new task, I'm going to right mouse click and say paste task. Now, some things won't come over. For example, I have resources in my source plan that are not yet defined as project team members, but I have my structure. I have dates, which I can then go ahead and modify. And that's your tip of the day.